Hey guys, welcome back to SVB Creative. How are you all doing? So first of all, I need to apologize to you all for the very bad lighting because it's like 1 a.m. So I just wanted to film this video. I had to show you guys the accessories I bought for the wedding, which is gonna happen in my family. And I really wanted to shoot this video at daytime, but I'm really sorry guys, I couldn't because I was like really busy. It's like day after tomorrow is the wedding, so we'll be leaving the home tomorrow, and I want to film this video before wedding because I'm gonna like throw away the packages because I don't want to carry that. I'm really sorry guys, I couldn't help it. I really hope you guys can see me properly, and I will show you guys the accessories up close so that you guys can have a better look. And the main reason I want to show you guys the accessories is because I've bought most of them from Amazon, so I thought that if any one of you want to purchase the same accessory, you can. So let's quickly jump into the video. So first I will show you guys the accessories which I bought from local store from Kerala. It's not from shop, it's actually from street, and the quality is pretty good, and I think that for 30 rupees it's like really nice. The next one is this gold earring which has got pearl to it, and stonework is also there. The quality is again is like amazing. This also cost me like 30 rupees. This is another earrings which I really like how the shape is, and also there is like stonework going on. It looks so pretty. I wore it for my dad's retirement function and it looked really amazing guys. I absolutely loved it. And the last one I got from that shop is this like butterfly like earring which looks absolutely gorgeous. I really loved it. It's like it's so beautiful. And from another person I got bangles. So this is the first set of bangles. They're like completely goldenish. I thought of wearing it for the reception function with my red lehenga. So this is how it looks like, and it cost me like 100 rupees for this one. And next one is like similar kind of bangle, but then it has got like a different pattern, a different design to it. So if you guys can see, this is like a difference in the pattern, and the shade is also like similar. Only thing is that the middle bangles have got different color. One is in red, one is in green, and I wore it for Ima's birthday function, and it looked really pretty with my sari, and it was like really nice. Next one is this bangles. It has got a lot of stone work going on, and it cost me like 150 rupees, and it is like this. You can wear it like this. It's like very easy. It's like adjustable, and it's like so pretty. Next one is this bangle, this golden bangle. Again, it's like adjustable, and it is like very simple. I got it for like 60 rupees. I got one set of bangle for Ima. It's like similar bangle of mine, but then it has got a little bit of more like bangles in this set, and this was also for 100 rupees. It's gonna make her wear this bangle for the wedding function. A little big for her, but still it's like fine. So next one is this adjustable bangle which is for Ima. So it has got like very beautiful pearl detailing. I will show you guys the accessories I purchased from Amazon. First one I'm gonna show you guys is from a brand called Shining Diva, and this is like a bracelet come finger ring. So this is how it looks like. So basically we are gonna wear like this. See, got this for 200 rupees from Amazon, and the quality is like pretty good, and it looks very beautiful as well. I absolutely loved it. Next one I got is from the Zaveri Pearls, and I got one earrings which is like really beautiful guys, and I wore it for Ima's birthday function, and it looked absolutely beautiful. So this one is this peacock earring. Oh god, you guys can see how the quality is. Quality is also like really good. It has got pearl detailing to it, got different color detailing as well, and also it's like really lightweight, very comfortable to wear. got it for like 200 rupees, and I think it's like worth for the money. I don't know, I think the MRP was around like 500, but then always you guys can get it for like good discount. Highly recommend you guys, if you find it in good discount, please do check it out. It's like really nice guys, I really loved it. So next thing I'm gonna show you guys is the this bracelet cum finger ring. This is how it looks like. It came in like very secure packaging as well. So this is how it looks like. It cost me like 99 and there was no delivery charges for this one, so it was like exactly 199. But then I'm not that impressed with the quality. It is not that great. I feel that it's like little cheap, but I'm gonna still wear it for the reception function with my red lehenga. So next one is again a bracelet with finger ring, and this one is something I absolutely loved, and this does cost me like actually the MRP is like 199 and I had to pay like delivery charges rupees 65, so in total is like 264. But then I should tell you guys, it's like worth. It's like of amazing quality. Also it's like absolutely stunning, and I wore this for Ima's birthday party. Everyone who came for the function did ask me like where did I purchase my earrings as well as this bracelet from. Both look really beautiful. Next thing I got is a necklace set, which is from again Shining Diva Fashion, and I got it in a very nice packaging like this. And here comes the star. So this is what I'm gonna wear for reception function. So I think I've told you guys, it's like red lehenga which I'm gonna wear. So here is the necklace. It's like a kundan work necklace. I wanted it to be like simple, but then not that simple for a function, and also not that gaudy. So I think that this necklace is perfect, and the quality of kundan is also really amazing. And also the stone here is like red, which is gonna match my lehenga perfectly. And also it has got earrings, and earrings is the same matching to the necklace. So here it is. It has got red stone over here as well as white stone over here around it, and at the bottom there is like a white kundan. It's like really amazing. And also there's a matapati as well, which is again is of like a perfect size. I really like my matapati to be very simple. I don't like the gaudy ones. I think that doesn't suit me well. So this I got for like 499, and I think that it's a like absolute steal, you guys. It's like absolute steal. So I think this necklace is available in like 2-3 colors. One is in red, of course, which I got. Another color is like blue, and one more color is there like pastel pink is there. So you can definitely choose the color whichever you want like. And I'm gonna show you guys is from a brand called SPARGZ. I don't know how we are gonna pronounce this. So this is the brand. This is what I'm gonna wear for wedding day. So I really loved it, guys. So this is like a pakka traditional necklace. So my baby is sleeping over there. That's the reason I'm checking every now and then. So I'm really sorry guys if it is like irritating you. I'm really sorry. So here is the necklace. Look at this, guys. It's so beautiful. My sari color is like pink and violet. It's like pakka pure Kanchipuram sari, which I'm gonna wear for wedding function, and it is like the pink shade and the violet border. It's like contrast border, so it's like very traditional necklace, very nice stonework pendant. And this size there are like small Lakshmi coins as well. It's like so beautiful. The quality is also really nice, and also I really love how the golden shade of this necklace is. It's not like very yellowish golden, and also it's not like copperish. So it's like somewhere in between, which I absolutely love. And also I really like the earring of this necklace because it's like something different. So This is how it looks like. So it's like a very huge part over here and also a very small jhumka. Usually it would be like small stud over here and very big jhumka will be there. So this is like the opposite, which I really like because it's like something different. I'm not sure how this is gonna suit my face because my face is not that big, but still I'm gonna wear this for the wedding function. I absolutely loved it. I also got this Mata Patti. This is not online. I purchased it from some shop. We're gonna wear this necklace itself, and if you guys can see, both this golden color is like little different in real, but in camera it looks very similar. So it's like pure yellowish golden, which I'm not that great fan of, but I couldn't manage to get anything better than this. So it's like pink in color and there's like small kundan detailing over here. Actually the kundan was like green in color, and since it was not suiting my sari, I removed that kundan, and I had this golden kundan. I just attached to it. And then last and final thing I got from Amazon is this one. Just show you guys right now. So this is how the packaging looks like, and when we open it, so here is the necklace, guys. It's like really huge. This is like Anushka's necklace, kundan work necklace, which she has worn with like white kind of anarkali. So this is how it looks like. It's like so beautiful, guys, but I'm not sure to which function I'm gonna wear this. It's like little big for my taste. I do not usually wear this big jewelry. It did cost me like 500 rupees, and I think for 500 rupees it's like an absolute steal. And I don't know if I have told you guys, this Mata Patti did cost me like 110, and this necklace was for like 600 or 650, I'm not sure. And for the price, I think it's like very good. This one is though like for 500, it's like really good. I'll show you guys the earrings as well. So this is how the earrings looks like. It's like really big, guys. It's like really big for my face. Here is the Mata Patti. Quality is like really good. So if you are someone who like very good huge jewelry, and if you definitely check it out, it's like really good. I think these are the accessories I got for this upcoming wedding function in my family. I will be leaving the link of the products which I've purchased from Amazon down in the description box, so you guys can check it out. So I'm not sure if the price is gonna be the same. It might be more, if it might be less, I'm not sure. So what I usually do is like, if I like some jewelry, I put it in cart. Whenever I see it to be in like very good discount, I order it. That's how I managed to get these jewelry or accessories in like very discounted price. Jewelry and clothes are something which if I have a choice, I would love to go and feel and then buy it. That's in Goa, there are like not many options for accessories, and also I can't take a lot of time and then shop. That's like really difficult for me right now. So this online shopping is like very helpful for me. So if you guys, I really hope you guys must have enjoyed watching this. As you guys know what to do, please do click thumbs up button as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and please do not forget to click that tiny little bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you guys will be updated. See you in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye.